Hello everyone! Today we are going to know more about dataset normalization, especially how to calculate a minimum-maximum scaling in Tableau. Index normalization, or sometimes called minimum-maximum normalization, is a way to standardize measures that vary widely in scale to a single standard. Perhaps you have sales figures from multiple countries that vary widely in volume, and you want to bring all the countries into the same scale. For that, normalization or index normalization is the best way. Another example, if we have a wide range of salaries and we want to present them as percentage. In doing so with minimum-maximum scaling, you are setting a range for your data of selected minimum-maximum range, let's say 0 to 100 or 0 to 1, where 0 is the minimum and 1 is the maximum. The formula to do that is normalized value equal to the original value minus the minimum value between all the values of the same attribute, all of these divided by maximum value between all values of the same attribute minus minimum value. And all of these will be multiplied by new maximum value minus new minimum value, and all of this plus new minimum value. If we want to set the new range of data between 0 and 1, so the formula will become normalized value equal to original value minus minimum divided by maximum minus minimum. And now I'll be guiding you through the process of normalization using Tableau. Let's learn together how to do that, the normalization, by doing it using an example. We have this data set which contains information about the experience, salary, and tax. First step, let's create an Excel sheet, name it test, and now let's create the dataset in question. On Tableau, we have to connect to our Excel file related to this exercise. And now we want to normalize the attribute salary between 0 and 1. In order to do that, we have to apply the equation that I already presented. To achieve that in Tableau, go to Analysis and select Create Calculated Field. Let's create one. You can call it as you want, but I'll call it minimum maximum. When we start writing the equation, Tableau will provide some propositions such as names of attributes already existing in our dataset or existing functions, and you will find that this is very helpful. After writing the equation, we may encounter errors because there are specific ways to write equations in Tableau. Therefore, the previous equation should be written in the following format. Please copy and paste it as it is. To best visualize how minimum-maximum normalization changes the scale of our measure, let's start by dragging the salary field to the rows shelf and the minimum-maximum measure to the columns shelf. Next, from the salary field, we can choose the dimension to present the values instead of the sum measure. Otherwise, the details will not appear clearly. Also, in the minimum-maximum measure, we should choose on which attribute we need to apply the equation. So right-click, then compute using salary. After the modification, this line will appear. And now to show it more clear, we can click on Show Me to hide this menu. Also, from marks on the left side, we can change the line and replace it with circles. Also, we can change the color of the circles. We can also add borders and choose the color of the border. Finally, to view the resulted data, we can click on Data View in the Analysis list above by this way. And we can see that we have an additional column here containing the normalized values of salaries. In this way, we learned how to apply a mathematical formula to dataset attributes and how to visualize the results using Tableau. We have reached the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a splendid day. Catch you in the later sessions. Bye bye.